What? $334.16 for two sweet peppers, not even weighing half a pound. This is 0.245 kilograms. This is less than half a pound, guys. Look at the price on this. Can you imagine? I'm not sure how we're gonna survive with these high food prices, but let's see what we can harvest from the garden today, and let's see how much money we actually save by growing our own sweet peppers. So come along with us, okay? Because this is a shocker. Alright, so just getting a variety of sweet peppers. Not sure, well, I don't remember what name this is. And there are sting bugs on it. And this one is actually changing color. So we have to be bagging the peppers. So persons have been asking where we purchase these fruit bags. They're on Amazon, so you can decide which variety you want. So this is the third variety of fruit bags we have. Alright, so this is a nice pepper. Alright, so this container has 2 plants and it has quite a number of fruits on it and some smaller fruits. So what I'm going to do is to take all the ones that are in the bag and allow the other ones to get a bit bigger. So we have 3 so far. There are more to be taken off. And this is freshly produced, right from the vine, organic. It's amazing how these plants produce a lot of sweet peppers. And if you treat them right, they will continue to produce. But there are quite a number of small ones on each. So I'm just taking these ones so that the rest can grow somewhat bigger. Alright guys, so this is a Suyo long cucumber. This is the third one we're harvesting so far, and look at the size of it. It's pretty amazing and they taste so good, so refreshing. So this is a Suyo long cucumber. They're so refreshing, guys. So if you can get those seeds, you can probably plant them if you want and add them to your garden. Next, we're moving on to our amaranth. We have quite a few in the garden, not much. And this one has been riddled with that stink bug, those stink bugs, yes. So let me get them out quickly. So we have different types of amaranth seeds that we'll be adding to our garden. So stick around to see what are the different types we will be growing. Here is another amaranth that we'll be taking. A bit of damage on these leaves right here, but I'll just take them off. Guys, so we have some red okra here, and this plant is, well, I think it's surviving. Not thriving, but surviving, because it has a lot of issues. So we have 4 red okras, and this is the best size to pick them at. Alright, so we have a lot of spinach on this wall, running across this wall. So I'm going to take a few leaves. And this is the Malabar spinach. And we have some different types of plant out when the time gets a bit cooler, different varieties. So you will also see that as well. Guys, just to pick your own produce from your garden, it's just a wonderful feeling because you're saving a bit of funds. So you can imagine if you had a lot of space, how much food you'll actually grow and how much you'll actually save. Because you see the amount of food that we pumped out from just a small acre of land. And we are grateful to God for that opportunity that He has provided us with to be able to plant some of our own food. So we're just sharing this with you, not to boast or to brag, but just to encourage you to grow your own food. And you can do that just one container at a time. So I'm not going to take a lot from the spinach patch. We're just going to take what we need. So we try to harvest daily what we need. All right, so that's a spinach patch. So look at it. It's going on well with a few bad leaves, damaged leaves. We have been getting some rain, so the pests are even more out now, but that's okay. We have enough leaves for everybody. So I'm just going to take this, not much. We leave the rest for some other time. All right, everyone. Thank you for joining us today in our harvest of our backyard garden produce, or freshly organic backyard garden produce. We saved quite a number of money, as you can see in our basket. And trust me, this is more than $1,000, so probably almost $2,000 or more for this little basket right here. So you are saving a lot of money when you grow your own food, just one container at a time. Be encouraged and do start that garden, one container at a time. We will definitely see you pretty soon. Take care for now. Bye-bye.